Hey, what's up guys? Today is Saturday, January 23, 2016. I'm gonna take my dad outside for a little bit. Let's check it out.
It's really snowy outside, I can't wait.
Oh man.
We're blocked in.
Yeah.
Help me.
Let me try, Genesis.
I can't believe we're blocked in. Oh.
There we go. We got it.
Yeah.
Let's go. Be careful, Genesis.
I didn't notice that was even there. See how snowy it is?
Watch out.
I can't even tell. I'm just doing it. Duppy, can I make a snow angel?
No, not right now. Later today.
But I can't believe we were snowed in. Those are our windows.
Mm-hmm.
And I feel it's super weird to be outside. I haven't been in snow for a long time. And I wish we could have brought my little brother outside. But,
Maybe later, okay?
Yeah. And then, it's really dangerous to play because it's in the morning. And then my brother, he might get sick.
Uh-huh.
And my dad just wanted to take me for a stroll. Walking ice. I got some of this food.
Wait a minute, Genesis. You can see, guys, and here in Glen, burnie right now,
It's like
Saturday, it's like
2 feet.
almost 11 a.m. We have, I don't know, like a 6-inch of snow right now.
Or 2.
No, mi amor, not 2. It's like a 6, see? I don't know, like a 6 or 7 inch of snow right now. Yeah. Watch out.
I think we're going to walk back.
Look over there.
Look how snowy it is.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go back.
You want to say something to the guys, the people over there?
I hope you stay safe. It's really cold, so I hope you stay safe.
Don't drive. Stay safe at home. Let's go back. Sí, mi amor.
I want to throw it at you. Can I throw it at the camera?
Yep, you can.
You could see a good vision of snow. Snow is one of my favorite things to touch. Our shoes are really snowy. You can see my little feet on the wall while we were walking. They're pretty little.
Come this way, Nita.
Oh,
Oh,
Puppy!
damn.
Puppy, it's almost covering my whole entire foot.
Same thing with me, look.
Oh my god, puppy. Oh, what? I got snow in my feet. I got snow in my foot. Puppy, I can't do it. I want to go back again.
Okay.
Oh, let's go back.
Yeah, let's go back.
Let's go in between our bedrooms.
No, go here.
Puppy. I thought we were going back again.
Okay, my amor. Let's go back. Okay?
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Why did you make me go to your new...
Go first. Be careful.
I know. I just want to jump back. Come on, start
Go.
coming. Oh, I got some on my feet. I can't believe we were snowed in at first. But I wanna... let's go check out our car. How it snowed in.
Our car.
I'll start.
Let's check our car.
We'll take some of it off.
Damn.
Yeah,
I think it's more than 6. I don't know. Like a... Damn.
like 7.
No. It's like a 9 inches. Yep.
I don't even want to touch it. I think we should go back. Right here, our car next to our car it's not that deep, right?
No.
Because these are
Let's go this way a little bit.
because those are 2 of our cars and we like parked next to each other. That's why it's running in the snow makes you slower.
I know.
I got some.
Actually, yeah, like a 9 or 9 inch.
Look, oh, show them over there.
Wait a minute. Damn, I don't know. 9 or 10 inch right now.
I think it would be a good thing to make snow with it. If it's not so good, I don't want to brag. But,
Okay, just here.
take your dog outside. Just got a bag. If you could do that.
Nita, say bye.
Bye. I hope you have a good... What year is it again?
2016.
Yeah, 2016, and
Alright, guys.
peace out.
Okay. Don't drive. Stay safe because it's dangerous out here. So,
If you live here, be careful. Look at his hair.
yeah. Don't drive.
Dude, look
Stay
what happened
safe.
to your hair.
Drink coffee and chocolate at home.
Hot chocolate, you mean?
Alright, guys.
Is it cold, right?
Ajá. It's too cold. Mm.
Yours is better.
Es que tienes que pucharla muy fuerte. Tienes que pucharla así, mira. Pero es que te vas a enfriar. Te va a hacer daño. Look. Sí. Look, Neta, okay. ¿Cómo dices un angel? Okay, look. My turn. Ready?
Yeah. Ready, set, go. It has to be. You're better at it,
Nita. 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 Let's go back, que tengo mis manos muy frías. Let's go back.
I'm making a track. I felt. Darling. Take it in.
ustedes? Oh, no.
Está estancado.
No, tampoco.
Está sacando.
Hazte para acá. Pero aunque le camines, hazte para acá. Oh, no hay nadie arriba manejando. Ok, vente por aquí. No, pues como yo pensé que había alguien ahí. Oh, shit. Increíble, está abierto. Luego, ¿quién nos vino a dejar?
¿Quién sabe? ¿Había rentado más mucho ayer?
Sí, yo te dije 4 o 5. Pero bueno, ya ni modo.
Y se va a estar bueno en un fin de allá del Walmart o allá del otro 7-Eleven.
Ándale, ahí mañana.
Estuvieron bien todas las músicas.
Ándale, al menos no tuvimos que quitar una y no verla, ¿verdad? ¿Cómo dices? Sí, tiene que estar limpio. Dice luego Luis que ando aquí en la arroyo. Le dice, con cuidado, carnal, abrígate bien. Digo, si me hace frío, güey. ¿De qué hablo? Como tú venías bien preparada para el frío.
¿Quién?
Tú.
Yo vine con mi chamarra.
No, tú ya diciendo que iba a hacer mucho frío y que bla bla bla. ¿Qué?
¿Está frío?
Pues está frío.
Lo que no veo es que no veo.
Diferente no ver, hacer mucho frío. Uy, sí, como la otra. Es el mejor tiempo para correr. ¿Cómo se está? Está chido. Te vas a caer. What the fuck? My fucking phone. un clavo en la nieve. Otro, va. Ya estuvo. Snow Challenge, pero con demasiada ropa raza. Hay que divertirnos un rato, que no es de todos los días. ¿Lista, llama?
It's chinitos allá saw you, they were like, what the?
Ya estuvo. Ya estuvo. Oh shit.
Come on, Dylan. You can do it, buddy. Come on, Dylan. You can do it. Come on. It's us. Stop, buddy. Mami, mira tu niño. ¿Y qué?
Sí, mi amor, necesitas ayuda.
Está poniendo sillas, Junior. Junior.
Sí. Mira tu hijo.
Mira, mami, look at your niño. He climbed up the mountain. Solo.
Good job, Dylan.